This is slime I regret buying. First of all, it's sticking to the unicorn, which I really don't like. Second, it's drippy. Like, really rippy. See, really rippy. If I try to, do something, it's gonna be rippy. Like, stretch it out, rips. Like, no, don't buy it. And I guess I could call them nice bubbles, but I'd be lying if I say that.